You see potassium 7.2 on a dialysis patient's lab results. The EKG is screaming with peak T waves, and alarms are beeping like crazy. Naturally, everyone hits the panic button. Grab the calcium, bicarb, insulin, D50, and maybe some Lokelma. Then you hear someone say, okay, the patient's good till morning. That's where you're wrong. Dead wrong. Here's the real clock you're working against. Let's break down that cocktail. First, you gave IV calcium gluconate stat dose. This is your immediate shield. It stabilizes the cardiac membrane, buying you precious time. But how much time? Only about 30 to 60 minutes. That's it. After an hour, if that potassium is still dangerously high, your patient's heart is unprotected again. Next up, the combination of bicarb, insulin, and D50. These are your shifters. They work by pushing potassium from the bloodstream back into the cells, temporarily lowering the serum level. They start kicking in within 15 to 30 minutes, and over the next hour, you might see the K drop by about 0.5 to 1.0 MEQ. The problem is, lab draws lag behind reality. You won't actually see that drop on paper until the next blood result comes back, which could be an hour later. Finally, you have the binders, like Lokelma or Kxolate. These work by binding potassium in the gut to remove it from the body. They are fantastic for long-term correction, but they are slow. They need anywhere from 2 to 6 hours just to start making a noticeable dent. In an acute emergency, a code situation, they're practically useless for immediate effect. So when you add it all up, what's your total window of safety? It's about 60 to 90 minutes. Not 8 hours, not overnight. That's all the time you've truly bought. Have you ever had a patient who received full hyperkalemia cocktail at 10 p.m. and needed dialysis? But dialysis got delayed. At 1 a.m., the patient went into V-fib. Why? Because we all thought, we're good till morning. We weren't. So here's your survival checklist for the next time this happens. First, recheck the ECG in 30 minutes. Don't wait an hour. Keep a second dose of calcium at the bedside, ready to go. Redraw that potassium level in exactly 1 hour. Set a timer. Page dialysis again. Don't just assume they know the urgency or that the first call was enough. And most importantly, if that EKG starts to look worse at any point, repeat the calcium immediately. You're not just waiting for the rescue team to arrive. You are the bridge that keeps the patient alive until definitive treatment. Treating high potassium is like dealing with a bomb that has a very, very short fuse. Do it right, save the patient, and save yourself from running a preventable code. Thanks for watching. If you've got your own stories about treatment delays, drop them in the comments below. Let's learn from each other's experiences. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real-world medical tips. Stay safe out there.